Look at the way you are behaving. Forgiving the minister. So you can imagine how.
I'm trying to explain.
You can imagine how.
I'm trying to be
No, but you see, how can you behave like this? So it means that you're doing worse things here. It means that you're doing worse things here.
Welcome to the Political Ranch with me, the voice, right on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Yeah, Health Minister, Honorable Minta Akando. He has been in the news. Why has he been in the news? Because there was a release, Parliament almost select committee B. It was going to tour the whole country, especially the regional and teaching hospitals, to look at the various facilities and all, blah, blah, blah. Yes, and it's a step in the right direction. The idea is a minister of that department, also a person here, near friend with some familiarization tour, because it gives you the opportunity to ascertain the situation on the ground first hand, to see it for yourself, and then also to think about solutions, because you don't just see it. When you see something, you must think about what a solution. And so we are all happy that he's taking that step. But this is the catch: the tour that the minister is carrying out is becoming more or less a harassment tour. Harassment, because you see, anyone who has worked in any of the government agencies, most of them health, that I can speak about health because I've worked in about 5 different hospitals: Ketekrachi, Adidome, Trafaga, which is whole teaching hospital, Pantine Hospital. Yes, I think 4 or 5 different hospitals. Whole polyclinic. Yes. I think Adidome, I already mentioned it. You realize, the workers, they are making a lot of sacrifices. A lot of sacrifices. Most of whom, if you ask a politician to make, they will not. So if you are going on the terrain, unless it is something that beyond everything is available, but they are not doing the right thing, you have the right to complain. No problem about that. But the kind that we've seen the minister demonstrate, what you've seen this minister do just now, the harassment. How dare he? The way you are speaking to doctors, nurses, dietitians, physiotherapists, how dare you, Minta Akando? How dare you? What expertise do you have? They are letting you know that they're not in part of Ghana. Water is an issue. Is an issue. People are forced to do surgeries without even water. Sometimes they use normal saline. If we know this. So how dare you, Minta Akando? The kind of sacrifices that have been made in most of our hospitals, if we ask you to go, you will not survive there for 1 minute. Why do you run outside the country when you are not feeling well?
Mahama no oni ni nua Ibrahim no maba no enye Ghana ho do no mobile yo enye wo ko gina line mu koto aba e ma omo ho do ti o enye adwin papa bi no wo ma yen o Mahama obai say obewia no wakum no wasei yen na oba abeteki revenge o Ghana for so se mo na mo pam me 2016 ya no me kire mo afie adue maburo. And Mahama de ye no. Yenia 3 weeks ago, Ibrahim Mahama, any sound Crawfonti and Quanti for your morning kitty. China for Echo sign Chinese Ghanaian mining. Yenia Nanado, Echo Parliament, Echo Mani Sona, Amabua ya, Wakwati Rob, Edia Fan and Niase. Akwasa TV3 cameras abe jina ne so se ye ntwa ne video na emra ayina enye se akunta mining o si wana mining za amana ye ha amanti ne wura huntinu Ghana fo empene ma NPP fo no oye na just obe pick on them no ontimi nguo mani ase amabu ya ne se kokko se nia zomi yehwe zomi egu nanum etimi gina na do anim di papa na tem mama Rebecca krompo bu fu speaker side na speaker allow amabu a ye wo kroma me se ade omude ye mama Rebecca sade nti no babesia we gina ne ku achi wa ba ka ne ku na waka kire mo se ono ntena ho on disrespect ne ku no mechia Kevin Taylor so si mami so Esupa mamia MPP NDC fo any MPP fo a omundo ananado all of a sudden omenya hatred bi ama nanado e please supa omu amabua akotete Chinese robo say sa robo na first Chinese ade green blue and green na friends imba robo na to wana
ba ku ni bi e fe na aboniki
na wakotete ede ne niasu mu Africa cameras abegina ho e na osu me say ewie uko Facebook akando na nim se sempo no ekuta camera yes pakwa na odin region okoya na ofil say okwa kokreti we okodu ye no eno mbusa ne say obusa omu say okwa toilet ne so no eso ayetan na de we minister Juma na we no mu ka kire ne say omu ni nsu ye rane wo na as a minister no wakon not na catch them so we will make effort to solve this unim or try say opeso defending na ye me sha doctors kuku damagina ne ejina ho eyedma hospital ho na administrator ejina hospital ho
it's possible
it's possible
it's possible no person for implicating hospital staff no person implicating hospital for no impending for
na make ban enti omo ka kire ne say omo ni nsuo to the extent sometimes omo ye surgery mpo a nsuo bom de be ye surgery kra eho ena eno gina wo say enti muntimi ko pay nsuo kra no say ye talk tankers 4 na tankers 4 no ensumpo me no yina be dia dance ye say nsuo e wo sa we northern ridgeway your problem na do na ba ye and the millions of gallons abeka and this for mobile moment nsuo rane galam sanity nsuo nyina ye basa hospital no expenses be no munya uko northern regional ni amema ni nimu a sebe atopabuo hwe be se biko krampo mutimi ntoma mo yire ni biko ne yire nyimu a ontimi nto biko mpoma ne yire nnum ma kola ntimi develop yie eti when I make sure say I won't chire fe na wo chebi wo buburo eti sa hospitals no se ba ni sika bi e na charges bi ni we ya se no be charge wo south no enye the same don't be charge wo north wo eti wo minister na akando kronfo no papa fertilizer na mu wia mo twedi koko divu akoton eti ka wo e ba ni sa no ka wano tum na kanya sasem bi chire omo na wo akando awu koi ukwa ko harase doctor no after university we taking 9 years and then the qualification who kind of qualification kuta how many years nyaye na munim Ghana for sometimes we underestimate certain things sa doctors na any hospital workers na akando akwako harass yo mo no me ne wo mienu ye ya Ghana hand your hospital o it will create you can say a bit demoralize health workers no na demoralize yo mo a omabu fusho uko hospital a eni bi omo de be show enyom bebe ye wo no and due to negligence ntinu akowu akando kwasiampani odwodwantwie ene mahama jimifo ono ne nabusunyafo ndc fo mpanifo oyale a fum wafo plane okwa abrochire enti no onko experience the anger of doctors ni health workers na wako arasi omo na wo hwe omobufuo no mene wo mienu ene yedu hospital wa ombetiti omo ho agu yeso mene wo mienu ene yempanifo ni jimia na abufuo ba health workers ne so a obeka kire wo se ene yenya hwema yenya se yen ene sunsanson baba yeso enti wo ndisi ni jimifo na wo ko Facebook na ni akando koye ye no Uba na baso. Catch and say is good, no. We are Jimmy for we are kwasia. We are da kwada sumia so na dwen. Aka no no ya ne on hospital wa ho. Eti sa settings eyi aboni kino mutiti mo mani ase no na mo fa eyi eko harass workers na mo create as kantata. Se kuma wudo se de beyon. Na ne mo ye nyina ye hu ma ha mai. Cocaine asem no ye beka. ECG we na mako wiya no ye beka. Ewie makwa letter some pamu yi Chief Justice send NPP beba power. Yes ye ba musumu nkro fe beba mo mafiri ho. NPP no ye wa botere pa. Osuno uko research a year. Abua osuno is one of the most intelligent mammals in the world. And they are very patient. But osuno bufua, nobody can stop osuno. And that is what NPP for yet here. Ye wa botere. Yet minima ye ma homa ema wofu ahoma na edu baby ni ye kana wunti a ye gyawu mu a me so tofom say team eno ano no sana MPP ye tie aboa oso no ye suban no ntuba MPP mu e ba ni nimdie e ba no nyansa e ba no professionalism a e ba no governance e ba na memu a NPP menyo ko bia ni wa e wa Africa who bet me to NPP who NPP is one of the top political parties in Africa. Who can top 5 African political parties, even 5 or 3. NPP is part of it. 80 million of NPP for Amuaha. Me shamoden, me shamun crying say advocates mama yenina yen especially I can phone away munu. Munim say NPP no. Yenina ya say almost say NPP I can for part yadiatum. Motion ya end Mahama oye. Appointment or buy I can find in a womb. Natural resources I can memuneshe. Gold, bauxite, diamond, timber. Can you oil, ediaben.
Why? People are virtually sacrificing day and night to see this country where it is, to provide health care day and night. They are toiling. And because you have position for yourself, you are being driven around by a chauffeur, policeman to protect you, paid accommodation by government. You think you can just go and speak to people anyhow. If those doctors, those nurses, physios, dietitians, and the rest decide to leave the hospital for you, go and work there, can you? I don't have an issue if people are not doing the wrong thing. But pastor water is not flowing. And you as a minister, you cannot bring a solution. You think that you have to harass them, speak to them anyhow. My boss, my friend, you've got it wrong. It's not right. Absolutely not right. And must be discouraged. It's unpatriotic. Uncalled for. And it's sad. You should be ashamed. Frankly speaking, you should be ashamed for doing that. What you did, it was a shameful act. Very, very shameful act. And we are disappointed. Pretty much disappointed. Very, very, very much disappointed, I should say. Very much disappointed. It is what we voted for. We are going to survive with these people for 4 years. This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right on Ghana 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.